So this is Mama Gertie. We just went on a walk and she's been running around playing with the baby. She can't decide if she wants to walk, run, smell, or throw it in the air. Huh, Gertie? Did you have some zoomies? Oh, good sit. Good sit. Who's a good mama girl? Did you get your baby? Ready? Get your baby. Get your baby, Gertie. Good girl. Want me to do it again? Ready? Get your baby, Gertie. Get that baby. Where's the baby? You know you're going to chase your tail? Aw. You're done playing get the baby? Huh, Mama? Where's that good girl? Who's a good girl? All right, come on, Mama. Go get the baby? Huh? You're all done with that game? All right. Let's go back and see the babies. Good girl, Mama. You put on a lot of weight. Yay! You're not so skinny anymore, huh, Gertie?